Hey guys, it is Julie Willits here from juliewillits.com, and today I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about people like using their Facebook profile to actually advertise their business, and how are they getting the engagement there. I mean, they have to have new people commenting, so we'll talk about that in just a sec. Get right back into it. Interested in finding out more information, number one priority is believing in you first. Glad you can get on here, and I hope Okay, so the first thing I notice when people are actually doing this from their personal profile is if you want more engagement on a post, let's say you're starting out first thing in the morning and you're going to do a morning post. It's probably best to go ahead and go through your news feed and see the people that you're actually wanting to engage with, and go ahead and give them a few likes and comments on their posts. And when you're using likes, it's best to either use the heart or the wow button. That actually gives Facebook in their algorithm and pushes that post up a little bit more. And the other thing is, if you see that you want some more engagement, the comments are the ones that actually boost your post even further in the algorithm. And I would go ahead and use either some GIFs, a couple GIFs to start that out, to actually boost that post a little bit higher, to where people that you've actually commented and liked their posts will see yours. And then the other thing is, you could go ahead and, instead of replying to people that comment on your post, put it as a new comment, and you can use their name in that comment to let them know that you are replying to them. But this will also act as a big boost in the algorithm. And of course, the best thing that you can do on Facebook is to do some type of video, and going live is what Facebook would prefer you do. And I believe that, it's going to take a little while before you actually know what time you should do your lives. But when you do a live, I would go ahead and use your own hashtag underneath whatever your title is, and that way people can actually find your videos using that hashtag on your Facebook profile. It's all about the algorithm, because I've seen people on Facebook that have reached like 200 and something comments, and then I kind of look at it, and that's what they're doing. They're creating each reply as a new comment. So these are just some little things that I have come across that I thought I would just share with you. If you are a Facebook marketer and you're starting out and you're doing this from your personal profile, these are a few things that will actually help you get your posts seen. And of course, the most important thing that you can do on your Facebook profile to reach engagement is to use, some of your own content. Now, you can actually look things up. You can look on Pinterest. You can see what other people have posted to see what has done well for them. But it needs to be from your own point of view, in your own words. Like you can put some quotes up there, but if you see that this is something that has been recycled in the news feed, that's really not going to get you a whole lot of attention if you're using your personal profile. So with Facebook, the most original things that you can come up with, and of course if some people share it, that's even better for you. If they like it, they may share it to their profile. And if you are going to share something, I wouldn't just use the share button. I would actually go and copy the link and then post it. If you decide you want to share somebody else's information on your profile, I think that will work a lot better. Or you can, share it in Messenger. And the other, using your story, also using your Messenger and your comments on your personal profile is going to help you increase your engagement there. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified if I have some new video content out there, and maybe you'll want to check it out. Okay guys, thanks for hopping on, and I'll see you soon. Bye now.